You've got the blanket, don't you? Are you wearing it on your neck? Oh, and a comfy blanket. Blanket worn around Carter's neck. There you go. Good job. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh, oh. Awesome work, Nolan. Oh, you were so close. Let me just help you finish off here. There you go.